Discover, AI was, of course, the primary thing that nearly everybody was talking about in almost every meeting I was in. HPE talked about how the network is foundational for data movement, but equally important, they talked about the network as a security device. Idea of trust no one, of actually having the network be proactive, not just in performance, but in security and governance as well. Putting the tools in place around the network to make it self-driving, solving security issues at the network level, solving data movement, solving interconnectivity. That means north-south, east-west, and also what now we're talking about network across countries, across continents. The problems at the network level are just getting more and more complex. And that's what HPE is trying to fill that need with their self-driving networks. You have many people right now within companies that are experimenting with AI. And I'm not talking about chief technology officers, I'm talking about individual employees. It's kind of fun and it's exciting. People can be way more efficient at their jobs using these tools. The problem is that one of your employees makes a mistake at that level, they could release unbelievable amounts of your data into these AI models. And so they would be actually training the AI model on your data. This would be a nightmare for any of the customers that we deal with. I think for a lot of IT executives that are charged with protecting the kingdom, and we're giving the keys to the kingdom to the agents, and you need to be able to make sure that everybody is working within the correct guardrails, within the correct boundaries. And what PT can do is we can work with these customers to help them understand where those boundaries need to be and what the impact is of not having proper boundaries. You want great security, but you also want performance. Is this increased security having an impact on performance? This is something we can help you understand.